subscribe to our channel.
6 Home remedies for swollen hands. Home remedies for swollen hands. Our ancestors probably knew of lots of home remedies for reducing swelling in the hands, whether it was caused by a sports injury, poor circulation, allergies, insect bites, stroke, arthritis, and more. When your hands are swollen, the blood can't circulate properly. It's a painful condition and it can keep you from performing your normal activities. That's why it's always a good idea to have one of the following treatments on hand at all times. 1. Ice. Ice can be your best friend if you are experiencing swelling in any part of the body, particularly of the hand. Its ability to reduce inflammation is quite good. You can make a compress using some crushed ice or by wrapping several ice cubes in a towel. Just be sure to never apply ice directly to your skin because it could burn you. Repeat this several times a day, but don't leave it on for more than 20 minutes at a time. 2. Ginger. Ginger is well known for its ability to treat inflammation, which is one of the many reasons it's been used in herbal medicine for centuries. It alleviates pain, thins the blood, reduces inflammation, and more. You can make a ginger tea using a teaspoon of grated or powdered ginger root per cup of boiling water. If you want to sweeten it, add a little honey, and for flavor, try some fresh squeezed lemon juice. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe is a fantastic option for any problems that concern the skin, and it can even be helpful if you are suffering from swollen hands. Some athletes, for example, make compresses using aloe vera when they're injured or after they compete to provide relief for their muscles, because it helps them recover more quickly. Everyone should have an aloe plant in the home so that it's easy to cut off one of the leaves and obtain the fresh gel inside. Apply it directly to the affected area and you'll feel immediate relief. It's also excellent for taking the sting out of insect bites. 4. Pineapple. This is one of the most useful fruits when it comes to reducing inflammation in the hands. We recommend eating some pineapple every day for a week to alleviate your pain. Remember that you can always enjoy it in different baked goods or add a slice or two to sweeten a tart salad. It's a delicious and potent remedy. 5. Marigolds. This remedy can be used both topically and internally. To use it topically, make a compress using striking orange and red marigolds and apply it to the affected area. The other option is to make a tea using a handful of the dried flower petals in a cup of boiling water. After it steeps for 5 minutes, strain off the liquid, sweeten it, and enjoy both the unique taste as well as the benefits. 6. Foods with vitamin B6. This particular vitamin is known for its ability to reduce inflammation, particularly for people who suffer from carpal tunnel syndrome in the wrist. Some of the foods that are high in vitamin B6 are potatoes, brown rice, green leafy vegetables, bananas, and skinless chicken breast. It's a good idea to add these to your daily diet and try them in various recipes and dishes. They'll help you feel better both inside and out. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.